In this video, I'll show you how to remove a logo from a prop with the new PaintX plugin from CoreMelt. This Nerf gun shouldn't have a visible logo, and if you don't have time to fix it before you shoot, you can fix it afterwards. First of all, I'll apply the PaintX effect and then hit the Open Editor button to access the full screen interface. Moving to the end of the clip, I'll select the Blur tool, then adjust the brush, and then paint over the logo. Once I've done this first pass, I can adjust the blur range and the opacity down here in the Blur Brush properties to make sure I've got a result which obscures the logo but which doesn't look too obvious. When I think I have it right, I can track backwards. And that's the shot complete. I can still adjust these brush settings after tracking too. The same technique can be performed with SliceX's Blur Mask Layer effect, but PaintX can be a quicker way to get a good result. PaintX is available now from coremelt.com, and there's a free trial too. Thanks for watching.